All right, this is our week 1 video of how to push files to GitHub from our local computer here. So let's start by going to the command prompt, and we need to go into where our files are located. So for me, I have that in downloads, so we'll cd into downloads, and then check our directory here. And the backend folder tree was the file we need to go to, so we'll cd into that. And check what's in here. And then there is the Promineo tech files. So we'll cd into that. Oh, sorry. Okay, and check what's in here. So here are all our files for our week 18, or our 18-week period. So we're going to go into week 1. That's where we are today. One, cd into there. And if we look inside this, there's no file. So we're going to create a week 1 homework file here. So we're going to make dir, and we'll call it week 1 homework. Okay. And if we look inside, we will see that that folder's in there now. So we'll cd into that folder. Week 1 homework. So now we're in here. And we see there's nothing in that folder. So now you're going to push this to GitHub. So I'm going to come over here to GitHub, create a new repository. We'll call this week 1 homework, and description week 1 assignment. All right, and we'll create that. And now we're just going to follow the steps here. So we're going to create a read.me file. We're going to copy paste so I don't have any spelling errors here. All right, we'll run that. And so that should have created a readme.md file. So if we look in here, we can see that it's there. Next up is git init, so we can just type that one. So we're initializing the file to be pushed. And then we'll git add readme.md. All right, and if you look at git status, we can see what's kind of going on at this point. So the file has been initiated and is recognized here. The next thing we need to do now is commit it. So we're gonna copy paste here. All right, 1 file changed, 1 insertion, and then we're gonna git branch main. On that. And then we are going to git remote add. So this is adding our remote repository to our GitHub, which is the cloud repository. So there we go. And next thing we need to do is just push it. So copy paste. And there we go. So just to double check that it's there. Let's see, our first commit under our new repository is right here. So successful. Now, second part of the homework of the assignment is to make a change. So we are going to add a file and then push it again. So if you look in directory, we still have the README file there. So we want to add a file. And to do that on PC is null greater than and then the name of the file, and we'll call this hello.txt. And we'll add that. And my system sucks with this weird security thing, but it's fine. And if we look in the folder, we can see that it's there, our hello.txt. So we've made some changes to the file, and we want to push those changes to our GitHub repository. So what we're going to do is see the git status, see what's going on right now. So we're on the branch main, but we have a new file that hasn't been tracked yet. So what we're going to do is add dot, and we're going to check the status now. And we see that it's in green. So now it recognizes the file and it's staged. And now we just need to commit it. So git commit -m, and we're going to call this new.txt file, close quotes. All right, so one file is changed. And at this point, all we need to do is just push with git push, because we already have the URL. It already recognizes our GitHub repository. So just git push. Let's give it a second. And there we go. And to double check, if we just refresh here, we can see that it is now also in our repository. All right, and thank you for watching my video. I hope that I covered everything in the assignment. Have a great day.